Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I integrate Rhino and the Grasshopper into my Revit workflow using the plugin called Rhino in Revit. So this video is not necessarily a tutorial, it's more like a time lapse, but I'll try to give explanations to what exactly I'm doing. If you're not familiar with this, it's basically a Revit plugin that lets you do, as the name implies, Rhino inside of Revit. It combines the modeling power of Rhino and Grasshopper into Revit's ability to create documents, floor plans, and basically just do the entire BIM process. I personally don't have a lot of experience using Rhino or Grasshopper. I'm going to be following a couple of tutorials which I will put up on the screen. For context, this is what I'll be trying to recreate. This is a model I created last year using Rhino, Revit, Grasshopper, and the plugin Rhino in Revit. So first of all, you want to have your Revit file open. Then you navigate to the Rhino in Revit tab. You can install the plugin from this website. It's totally free. So after I start up the plugin, you can open floating windows of either Rhino or Grasshopper on top of your already open Revit window. Now I'm trying to create floors that will follow the shape of my building. I'm using this tutorial right here. After that, I'm going to export my main building form out of Rhino. I want to create a custom column that follows the shape of the building. So I'm going to save it as a Rhino file and open it outside of Revit. I'll be using the sweep one tool inside of Rhino to do this. Now I'm going to re-import my custom column back into Revit and duplicate it the number of times I need. Here you can add other building elements like your walls, your curtain walls, your windows, and so on. And basically just continue modeling till they are satisfied with what you want. I won't be doing that in this video because that would take a lot of time. Some key challenges and issues you might want to look out for when using this plugin include being conscious of how often you open or you run the plugin. I run into an issue where whenever I reopened my Revit project and I ran the plugin, whatever I had created in Revit disappears. I had to manually go back in and reload the Grasshopper file. And the way I resolved it was basically when I was opening my Revit file, I did not go back to run the plugin. I just avoided the tab. And that's basically it for today. I hope you learned something new or important from this video. If you have any questions or any ideas, you can leave them in the comment section below. Thank you and see you on the next one.